Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and the call volume in the settings. So open up the settings. Now after you do that, go over to sound and vibration, and right up top we have media and the call volume. So here you guys can adjust it. I always recommend putting it all the way to the max, so these settings are both maxed out. After that, what you guys want to do is make sure that do not disturb here is turned off, because whenever you turn on do not disturb, then you will either get notified only if it's important, or you won't get notified at all and every sound is just muted. So in some versions, then it can also cause your volume to be significantly lower, and you definitely do not want that. So if there's no difference between do not disturb turned on and turned off, then you can simply turn it back on if you want. So you guys can turn it off for the time of testing. After that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grills. So as you guys can see, if you got the tablet, then here we have two and here we have two. So here we have it on the right and on the left side. We definitely want it all cleaned out, because if it's not cleaned out, then basically dust can block the connection. Sorry, not the connection, but the sound, and it won't be as high as possible. The sound will be definitely lower, so you definitely do not want that. Now, what you guys want to do next is restart your tablet to fix any minor glitches. So maybe it's just all a glitch, and a simple restart can help. So simply click the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now tap on the restart icon, and now the tablet is restarting. So as you guys can see, the screen went automatically black. Now we're waiting for it to turn back on. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the restart, what we want to do is we simply want to update our software as a last resort to fix any audio glitches. So we're waiting for our tablet to turn back on. Now we're going into the settings, and we want to scroll down right here all the way to the bottom until we see About Phone. Here we want to scroll down to Basic Info and tap on System Updates. Here I'll show you the Check for Updates button. Here we have Check for Updates. You simply click that. You need to make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection too. Now click it and it will check for updates. So I have an update available. I have the optimization system and minor bug fixes. So those minor bug fixes can actually fix your low volume problem. Now you can click download, and then you can click install now, but you need 30% on your tablet. I'm at 21 right now, so I cannot update it, but you guys click just the download button and it should start downloading. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.